So we just said Yashav like kreitz b'nei v'ris kachavim le'yishla v'tlena nishnirs k'mishtachel v'ris kachavim and in your mutter. I don't know. Ask the girls where they put them. If someone had a thorn stuck in his foot, and he's in front of an idol, he can't bend down to take it out because it looks like he's bowing to the idol. But if it's not seen, it's permitted. So when it's pazru like moisab never just kavleisha bitlem, nishir k'mishtachel is kachavim in your mutter. Same thing if someone dropped a bunch of coins by accident and they became scared in front of an idol, you can't bend down to pick them up because it looks like you're bowing to the idol. But if it's not seen, it's permitted. A third thing, Mayan HaMoishach L'fnei is Kachavim L'yishta v'yishta Mishanir K'mishtach V'lodis Kachavim V'imeinum Nir Mutter. If there's a spring flowing in front of an idol, you can't bend down to drink from it because it looks like it's bowing to the idol. If it's not seen, it's permitted. Part Sufais Mekalchen Maim Lekrachen Nich Pival PM Vishtem Nishnim Kunashik Levanis Kachavim Kiyotzboy Nich Pival Silon Vishtem Neisakana.
I want spicy matzah.
You do want spicy matzah? Yeah, here.
Where's Mommy?
Mommy went for a drive. Here's some spicy matzah.
This is not it.
Alright.
Alright,
So let me finish my video. What?
Somebody needed a drive?
No, she just wanted to get away. So similarly, if you have sculptures of human faces that spit out water, of water fountain, you can't put your mouth on it because it looks like you're kissing an idol. And any water pipe, you shouldn't put your mouth right on it because it's dangerous. Maybe you might swallow a leech. We're going to get to that. Mayan or Nira. What does it mean that he's not seen that he's allowed to do these things? Leim l'mischaze means no one else sees him. V'amar Rav Yehuda Marav kol makom shasu chachamim l'maras ha'ayin fil b'chadri chadar maser. So that can't be. It can't be that no one sees him because Rav Yehuda said in the name of Rav, whenever the rabbi said you're not allowed to do something because it doesn't look good, even if you're all by yourself in a private room, you're also not allowed to do it. So maybe it doesn't look like he's bowing to the idol, then it's permitted. Meaning he does it in a strange way that shows that he's not doing it to worship. And all of these different cases had to be taught because if it's a thorn in the foot, you can walk a little bit to get away from the idol and remove the thorn somewhere else. But the money's there. You can't walk away and pick up the money. So Emaloi, so you might have thought that you can only do one, not the other. In Tanamos, the Mamayna of Olkotz that Sarah Emaloi. On the other hand, you might think that's prohibited because of the money, because money is not that important. But pain is, you want to avoid pain. And so both, that you might think you're allowed to bend down to remove the pain. These two cases, neither of them is a real danger. The spring of water, if someone's dying of thirst, he might die. So you might argue with this, and so that's why the third case had to be taught. It's part Sufa Islamically. What about the case of the faces, which are not actually idols? What about that case? Why do we teach that? Because we want to teach the next one. Because it's just in order to teach the other halacha that you don't put your mouth on any pipe, even if it doesn't have a face on it, because it's dangerous. Maisakana luka. And what danger is it? That he might swallow a leech coming out of the water pipe. Tanu Rabbanan, we have the teaching of Brisa, the rabbis taught. Liyishta Mayim Layman and Ars Vim the Gamim, Labipiv Laviada Achas Vim Shasa Dama Gerashim and Nesakana. Maisakana Sakana Saluka. Liyishta Adamayim and Ars Vim the Gamim. You shouldn't drink water from a river or pond. Not with the mouth, not with one hand. And if he drank from a river or pond, he's taking his life into danger. It's his own fault if he dies because it's dangerous. And what danger is that he might swallow a leech? This helps what Rabbi Chanina taught. That Rabbi Chanina says if someone accidentally swallowed a water leech, we could heat up water for him on Shabbos to save his life because it's a life or death situation. There was a story that there was a yid who accidentally swallowed a water leech and was in Shabbos. And Rabbi Nechemia said you could heat up water from Shabbos at Hachi v'Hachi. Amar Rav Huna Breder Rav Yehoshua Lik Mechala. And while he's waiting for the water to heat up, Rav Huna, the son of Rav Yehoshua, said he should swallow vinegar, and the vinegar would kill the worm. Amar Rav Idi Bar Avin said, Hai man debola zibura michil echai. If Edi Baravin said if someone swallows a hornet, he's going to die. He's not going to live. But he should drink a measure of strong vinegar, because he might live long enough that he could tell over his will, and because he knows he's going to die. Rabbis taught that you shouldn't drink water at night. Even regular clean water, and if he drank, he's in danger. And why? Because the danger. He's taking his life into his hands. The danger is a demon called Shavrire, who's a demon that causes blindness. What if he's thirsty? What should he do at night? If there's another person with him, you should wake him up and say, I'm thirsty for water. He should rattle the pitcher, and he should say to himself, Planya bar Planya. Meaning he should say his own name and his mother's name. Planya bar Planisa. So-and-so, the son of so-and-so. Amar lachimach, your mother said, Isdar mishavrire, rire. You should be careful of shavrire, rire. Taking the name smaller and smaller, that scares away the demon. B'chasi chibare, in white cups. Or it says sechina mai b'chasi chibare. He's thirsty for water in white cups. So we have a little demonology here as well to scare away demons. We have a new Mishnah. Yosheyesh ba'avodas kechavim, a city that has idol worship festival in it. Some of the shops are decorated and some are not. There was a story like this in Beth Shean. And the rabbi said if the shops are decorated, you're not allowed to go in. But the ones that are not decorated shows they're not celebrating the festival, and you're allowed to do business with them. Again, this is in the old days when they were really worshipping idols, not like now. Amr Shimon Lakish. Rish Lakish said, La yishanu ala mutaris b'vered v'hadas. Now, the decorations are specifically that they take roses and myrtles that had been offered to the idol. Masani merechi, because they smell nice, and you're gonna have a nice smell from something that's to krevis of Avodah Zarah. But mutaris befeiros mutaris. If they decorate with fruit, then you're allowed to go in. My time damar kra lidbach berch muma mencherim neno hud aser. Avol mahanishari. Because it says you're not allowed to have anything in your hand from the banned property. That's in Deuteronomy 13:18. Something that's used for idolatry. Meaning you cannot derive benefit, but you are allowed to provide benefit. All right. So we're on 13. We'll continue next time. All right. God bless. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And thank you for watching.